In today's installment, we're going to pair the Bluetooth on the iPhone to the infotainment on the Aston Martin. Start by selecting the start button either on the touchpad or in front of the wheel to bring up your home screen. At that point, scroll to Phone, and you should immediately be prompted to connect device. At this point, unlock your phone, go to your settings, and go to Bluetooth. Now go to connect device. Again, enter to search for phone. You should immediately be able to pop up once it has been found with a phone of selection. And it'll prompt you to pair phone. At this point, it will allow for your contacts to be synced, and after a few seconds, your phone and your contacts will be synced with the infotainment system.